Hi guys, today I'm with special breakfast recipe. This recipe will be amazing for chili lovers. Today I'm going to make hot and spicy stuffed chili fritters. So without any further delay, let's get towards the video. So I've taken about 7 chilies. I'm going to unseed all of them. Well, by putting just a cut aside, I've washed them all before. So I'm going to put a cut and gonna take out all of the seeds out of them so that these are ready for stuffing. So you can just follow up the procedure like I'm doing it, just follow it up. So I've unseed all of them. Now I'm going to move to my next procedure. So I've taken about 1 cup of gram flour into a empty bowl. With that I'm adding salt. You can add it according to your taste, and a pinch of red chili powder. I'm going to mix it quite well. Once my mixing is done, I'm going to add water gradually and I'm going to make the consistency just like a paste. Don't add water at once, just add it gradually so that the consistency is not changed. With that I've taken 1 teaspoon oil onto a pan and grated garlic about 1 teaspoon as well. I'm going to fry it, and I'm going to add garam masala powder about 1 teaspoon and chili powder about 1 teaspoon as well. It's red chili powder. With that I've added turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon as well. I'm going to mix it quite well. So with that I'm going to add potatoes. I've mashed them all. I've taken about 2 potatoes, boiled them and mashed them, and now I'm going to mix it as well so that the masala is all mixed in my potatoes. With that I'm adding coriander leaves. I'm going to fry them and fry them on a low flame so that it does not stick with your pan, and remember to stir with the help of a spoon so that it does not stick with your pan as well. So my stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to fill the chilies with my stuffing. You can just use a spoon, but it's much easier to do it with your hand, so I'm going to do it with my hand. You can just follow up the same procedure like I'm doing it. While I'm doing this thing, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button, and once you're gonna hit the subscribe button you will see the bell icon. Hit the bell icon as well and you will be updated by my latest videos. And if you have any queries or any question, you can just comment down below for that and I would be happy to answer you. So now I'm going to coat with my gram flour batter that I've made before. So put the chilies into it and take them out and add it into a frying pan, like a frying oil. I have preheated it and added all of them one by one. With the help of a spatula, I'm going to mix into the oil so that my chilies are fried from each side, and these are tasty, and these turn out to be golden and crispy as well. So once these are golden and crispy, with the help of a strainer I'm going to take them out so that the excessive oil stays in the pan. Now just try this tasty and crispy snack at home and share it with your friends and your family. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down your feedback below.